Nice to meet you. My name is Wendy Fontalvo. I am living in El Copey, Cesar, and I am studying environmental engineering. I will talk about the well-known restaurant in El Copey, Cesar called Wepa. Wepa is a fast food restaurant. It's located in El Copey, Cesar in the 8th Street. Vital food is served are hamburger, hot dogs, roasted meat, chicken, and pork. Also barbecued meat, chicken, and pork. Um, the special of the house is called weapon. For example, for the growth of hot dogs, there is a special hot dog called weapon. For the growth of hamburger, there is an special hamburger called wepa. Why called wepa? Where the product with this name is because they have extra cheese, potato, sausage, and other things. And the service is really nice, very good. The place has have good condition, have fans, TV for the entertainment. And we are waiting for the food. Um, Talking about the drink, well, there is something who is not so good because they they don't have natural juice. The drink they have hard some like Costa Bon, Coca-Cola, heat juice, an alcoholic drink like Corona, Águila, Costeñitas, mm, sorry. Well, does the place have some good? It's good for the family environment. You can come here with your family and enjoy. Uh, you must come and to visit this place and enjoy. The general about this restaurant is the food is really good. The service is really nice. Um, they have free home delivery. So you can call them, make your order, but only in El Copey Cesar. So thank you for hearing me talking about this place. I hope you enjoy and come to visit.